Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scholarly Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can update your command profiles with your biography. So there are three different profiles in command, and we want to update that biography in all three places to make sure that it is showing everywhere that anyone can see our information is seeing that display properly. So first things first, we are going to log into command, which is agent.kw.com. And once we are logged in, we are going to navigate to the drop-down menu, which is located under our name in the top right corner. So once we are there, we are going to navigate to the referrals profile. So the referrals profile is going to be what other agents are seeing when they're looking for a referral partner in command. So to update this biography right here, we're going to click Edit Profile. And once we are there, if we have it, we can just copy and paste it right there. And then we're going to scroll down and we're going to click Save Changes. So once we do that, it is automatically going to update it for us right here. And we'll see that populate. It can take a little bit of time for it to populate across all of your profiles. So if you are not seeing it immediately, don't worry, it will likely pop up soon. So the next place we're going to check is our My Profile. My Profile is going to be an internal profile for the most part. And so you want to make sure that you are checking there as well. We're going to do that and we'll click Edit. Once we do that, we're going to click on our biography in here and we can again copy and paste it right there. And then once we do that, we'll click Save Changes. I didn't add it, so I'm just going to click Cancel. But we would see that populate right here. And then last but not least, in fact, it's probably our most important profile, is going to be our marketing profile. So we're going to, again, go to the drop-down menu under our name. We're going to go Settings. We're going to go to the Connect settings on the left-hand side, and we're going to see our marketing profile populate there. So the marketing profile is going to populate to your website and anywhere that you have your marketing information. So campaigns, emails, and stuff like that that are sent through command. So you're going to scroll down. You'll see your biography right here. So you can just, if you have that there, you can copy and paste it right here. And then scrolling down, we are going to click Save. And that one will update the settings. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us, support@scottleroymarketing.com. And we are more than happy to help however we can.